What's going on, YouTube? Donnie here to show you how to do a cabin filter on a Acura MDX. So first thing, you want to come to the passenger side, drop the glove box. Once you drop that, you're going to see this side. You just release that little clip and you do the same thing on that side. And once you do that, and you can see how it's got little slits, and you just can pull to separate that little clip. And this is going to drop. Once that drops, it's right in here. You press this side. It's way easier to do it with two hands, but since I'm holding the camera, I can't do it with two hands. But basically, you just pull that thing on out of there, pop that cabin filter up through the bottom, pull it on out. What I like to do is put the other one up to it, see if it's the same size. It is the same size. You just throw it on in, put it into the cage, and insert that thing back in there just like that. And then all you got to do is just lift up, and you make sure this little thing didn't pop out. If that didn't pop out, you're good. If it did pop out, just pop it on back in there, pull up. You're gonna see it's gonna get to that point, and you just push it back. And that's how you do a cabin filter on a 2013 Acura MDX. If I helped you guys out, go ahead and thumbs up, subscribe. It'll help me out. Thank you.